Ever wondered if the Bifrost Wallet is just for crypto whales or tech gurus? Or maybe you're thinking, is this wallet even for me? Well, you're not alone in those thoughts. Many people hear crypto wallet and immediately assume a high barrier to entry, a complicated setup, or exclusive access. But what if I told you that the Bifrost Wallet is designed to be accessible to a surprisingly wide range of users? Before we dive into who can call the Bifrost Wallet, let's quickly set the stage. The Bifrost Wallet is a non-custodial mobile application, available on both iOS and Android. Non-custodial is a fancy way of saying you, and only you, control your private keys and therefore your crypto assets. This is a huge deal for security and true ownership in the crypto space. It's not just a place to store your digital assets, it's a portal to the decentralized web, offering features like viewing your portfolio, interacting with decentralized applications, dApps, and performing various operations across different blockchain networks, including sending, receiving, wrapping, and delegating tokens. Think of it as your personal financial command center for the blockchain world. So, who exactly is invited to this party? The simple answer is, almost anyone interested in managing their crypto assets securely and engaging with the decentralized ecosystem. Firstly, a fundamental requirement is age. To be eligible to use the Bifrost Wallet and its services, you must be at least 18 years old, or of legal age according to your local jurisdiction. This is a standard legal requirement across most financial and digital service platforms. Beyond that, the Bifrost Wallet is built for individual users who want direct control over their funds. This means if you're an individual looking to manage your Bitcoin, Ethereum, Flare, Songbird, XRP, or various ERC20 tokens, the Bifrost Wallet is designed for you. It's particularly user-friendly for those new to the non-custodial wallet experience, offering a straightforward interface that simplifies what can often be complex processes. Are you a DeFi enthusiast? An NFT collector? Someone interested in staking your assets to earn rewards? The Bifrost Wallet caters to you. Its built-in Web3 browser allows seamless interaction with dApps like Uniswap, Compound, and Flare Finance. This is crucial for anyone wanting to participate actively in decentralized finance, explore NFT marketplaces, or engage in blockchain governance. What if you represent a legal entity? The Bifrost Wallet's terms of use also cater to this. If you are using the services on behalf of a legal entity, you must represent and warrant that the entity is duly organized and existing under applicable laws, and that you are duly authorized to act on its behalf and enter into the contract. So, businesses and organizations looking to manage their crypto portfolios with full self-custody can also leverage the Bifrost Wallet. The beauty of the Bifrost Wallet lies in its accessibility combined with robust security. It's audited by independent security firms, prioritizes privacy by not tracking identifiable information, and puts the power of private key management firmly in the user's hands. While it's a powerful tool for experienced crypto users, its intuitive design also welcomes newcomers, allowing them to confidently navigate the world of digital assets. So, whether you're taking your first steps into crypto or you're a seasoned blockchain explorer, the Bifrost Wallet opens its doors to you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.